In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures today as they're realizing a little bit of selling pressure here today. After 2 strong days last week, we did see WTI crude futures pushing back up towards the top end of the range. Now we're seeing a little bit of selling pressure here today, although we are off the lows of the session, currently right around 74.20 on the futures market. And looking at, I think, some of the factors contributing to why we're seeing some weakness today. Number one, we're coming out of the weekend, and I think the themes surrounding the COVID-19 variant continue to impact expectations and forecasts moving forward. We are seeing some restrictions now kicking in Japan. We're also seeing it take place in other parts of the globe. And I think you're seeing some forecasts and some expectations shifting, at least for short term, on possible demand impact from a global perspective. So couple that with the OPEC Plus uncertainty as well. We still have some impasses there, some issues between some of the participating countries. And so that leads to uncertainty as to how the supply storyline is going to unfold, if that's going to change dramatically, or if these announcements are going to linger, or if they're going to continue to, I guess, operate under the same protocol that they have. So I think the market's still kind of trying to figure out how that's going to play out as well. So another reason possibly why we're seeing a little hesitation today. Now, I do want to point out the big item today that's worth noticing is that we do see the listing of the CME micro WTI futures today, and we are seeing nice activity in the MCL ticker. MCLQ is the August future, and we're seeing nice action in the August, September, and October contracts for the first day of trading. And we're also seeing, again, as the MCL future rolls out, I do want to point out that's 1/10 the size of the regular standard WTI futures contract. So again, another opportunity to play the markets on a smaller scale now with the MCL futures being listed.